Looks like we're entering construction area.
He's going through the construction.
What an idiot.
Lost control, signal 4 right by the
You
7-Eleven.
dumbass.
Stand by.
Release the hound. What's up, YouTube? Squink here. I used to be a cop. I know, right? So I'm here to answer the age-old question of, what the hell are the cops doing? What the hell are they doing? Why did they do that over there? Why is he speeding? So I'm here to answer those questions and hopefully some more if I think of them in today's video. I do these videos every single day. Today is no different. Today's video comes from Donut's Raw Police Footage channel. K9 takes suspect down after crash. I've never seen this. I'm responding and reacting in real time and just giving you my thoughts as an ex-cop. Here we go.
Hands out the window! Hands out the window!
Hands up!
Keep your hands up! Keep them up! Keep them up!
Step out!
Step out of the car! Step out of the car!
Step out of the car now!
Step out of the car!
Can you please explain to
Step out of the car! Step.
Here's just, this just came to my mind. If the cops are telling you to do something, just listen. Don't be arguing or whatever he's doing. Like, just stop and listen, you know?
Get out window if you don't get out of the car.
Sir,
now.
what did I do?
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up or you will get shot! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
Watch that right hand. It keeps disappearing.
Keep your hands up to where I can see them. Hands on the wheel! Hands on the wheel! Get out! Get out of the car!
He's going.
Get out of the car!
Stop the car!
Get out of the car! Watch out, Barry! Watch out, Barry!
They need to be breaking the window, or at least trying to. That's what I would do.
Look at it!
Oh, I didn't even know someone was in there.
Air one, you got him. He's fleeing.
Alright, I got you guys coming up. You're behind the white van, correct?
Right there. Alright, so that he just threw is the stop sticks, which are basically just hollowed out tubes or hollowed out spikes that eventually let the air out of the tires slowly over time rather than all at once like traditional spikes. Good recovery. I'm impressed.
Hey, Brett, he was reaching towards that center console.
Air 2, Air 1, we have the vehicle. If you guys want to break off.
We're
breaking off.
Alright, so yeah, these stop sticks are just like plastic enclosed spikes that are designed to slowly release the air out of the tires over time.
Alright, the silver one, get ready!
So what they're gonna do is pull it as the vehicle crosses. You'll be able to see it here.
Get ready, buddy. This is you. Watch out, watch out.
He went around. Oh no, he didn't.
Get the stick.
Okay, I don't want any units going the wrong way. I don't want 100 units behind this. Just keep K9 and 2 units. Everybody else hang back.
This is so sketchy. I don't even know what the right call is in this circumstance. When he's driving on the wrong side of the road, this is tough. You just got to get him off of the roadway as quickly as possible.
Moderate traffic, heavy traffic. Cutting over to the eastbound lanes, turn lanes, going into opposing traffic, and continuing southbound Woodland through 92. Going southbound and northbound lanes.
Alright guys, let's back off, give it some space, let Air 1 call it. I don't want to keep pushing him any harder.
Still southbound.
I cannot stand people who put the public in danger like this. Like by driving on the wrong side of the road. What a jackass.
Still southbound.
This guy deserves whatever's coming,
Going
which
in
is a
oncoming
K9
traffic.
to hopefully the nuts.
We're about a quarter mile out from Kepler now, still eastbound.
Looks like we're entering construction area.
He's going through the construction.
What an idiot.
Lost control, signal 4 right by the
You
7-Eleven.
dumbass.
Stand by.
Release the hound.
He's out. He's walking away from units. He's running towards the 7-Eleven around eastbound M44.
Go, baby, go, baby, go!
Parking red, parking! Parking red! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back!
Central dog got him. Dog bite. Taking him 10-12 right now.
Good boy, red, parking red.
Good boy. That's a good boy.
Good boy, red.
Gas prices, $3.29. He's like, I just want to play hard.
Ah, good boy, buddy. Ah, good boy. You okay?
That guy's on the phone with his wife. That guy's like, listen, something happened. It's not my fault. I was just in the wrong place at the wrong time. She's like, where were you? You told me you were going to Kyle's. Why are you on that road? Anyway, I think the cops did great. The K9 did the best job. I give everyone an A+. They did great. They did great. Guys, don't run from the cops and you won't get bit, you know? It's really that simple. I do these videos every single day. If you like it, subscribe, comment, like, share it. I do them every day. Literally every day. I used to be a cop, so if you want to learn stuff from an ex-cop and see me react and give you information in real time, here I am. I do them every day. So I'll see you tomorrow for a new one. That's that. See ya.